For months, astronomers around the world locked their visual arrays and orbital modeling systems onto a solitary cosmic traveler cutting through the dark periphery of our solar system. Designated officially as 3I, Atlas, this remarkable visitor represents only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected passing through our local celestial neighborhood, following in the historic footsteps of 1I, Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I, Borisov in 2019. Discovered in early July by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, 3I, ATLAS immediately stood out from routine main belt asteroids and long-period comets due to its extraordinary hyperbolic velocity. Traveling at speeds far exceeding the gravitational escape velocity of our Sun, the object's trajectory confirmed beyond a shadow of a doubt that its journey had begun millions, if not billions, of years ago around a completely foreign star system. Initial orbital projections indicated that 3I, ATLAS would execute a relatively distant flyby of Mars before sailing back into the sunless void between stars, offering a brief but unprecedented window of opportunity for planetary scientists and astrophysicists to study pristine material forged in an alien protoplanetary disk. As powerful space observatories, including the James Webb Space Telescope, alongside extensive ground-based radar and optical networks began gathering high-resolution imagery and tracking data, what was initially expected to be a routine hyperbolic passage quickly transformed into one of the most intensely analyzed astronomical events of the modern space age, captivating both the global scientific community and millions of observers worldwide. As global monitoring intensified, precise telemetry from deep space tracking networks revealed subtle, unexpected variations in the predicted path of 3I, ATLAS that challenged early orbital models. In classical celestial mechanics, a natural body moving through space responds primarily to the gravitational pull of the Sun and surrounding major planets. However, icy bodies like comets experience non-gravitational acceleration caused by a phenomenon known as outgassing. As sunlight warms the frozen volatile compounds embedded within an interstellar object's crust, subsurface ices of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and structural water violently sublimate directly into gas, venting into the vacuum of space and acting like microscopic natural thrusters that gently alter the object's trajectory. While outgassing is a thoroughly documented natural mechanism common to ordinary comets within our solar system, the specific behavioral profile of 3I, ATLAS proved unusually intriguing. High-precision light curve measurements and infrared thermal imaging indicated that the escaping gas and dust were not released in a steady, continuous stream, but rather in rhythmic, repeating bursts that caused periodic fluctuations in the object's overall brightness and trajectory momentum. This subtle yet structured physical behavior immediately piqued the curiosity of researchers, who began taking even more detailed spectrographic measurements to determine whether these periodic outgassing events were driven by the uneven solar heating of a rapidly tumbling, irregularly shaped nucleus or by specific thermal fractures across its volatile-rich surface. The mathematical precision of these orbital nudges and repeating light curve spikes quickly spilled over into public discourse, fueling a wave of viral social media theories, speculative internet videos, and dramatic sensationalism. Online platforms quickly amplified claims that 3I, ATLAS was not reacting naturally to solar radiation at all, but was instead executing deliberate, autonomous course corrections. A few fringe commentators went so far as to suggest that the object was an artificial alien probe, a dormant interstellar vessel, or an engineered surveillance platform intentionally directing itself toward a collision course with Mars. While these dramatic theories captured millions of views and captured the public imagination, planetary scientists and professional astronomers stressed the critical importance of adhering strictly to empirical evidence and established physics. To date, every line of verified scientific data, from radar cross-section analysis to high-definition spectral profiling, confirms that 3I, ATLAS behaves entirely within the physical parameters of a volatile-rich natural body. The apparent anomalies in its trajectory are fully explained by the complex thermal dynamics of a chaotic, tumbling interstellar nucleus interacting with increasing solar irradiance. Science relies on systematic verification, repeated observation, and peer-reviewed analysis rather than premature assumptions, and the true marvel of 3I, ATLAS lies not in science fiction speculation, but in the authentic chemistry and history written into its ancient, frozen crust. To decode the physical nature and origin of 3I, Atlas, researchers deployed high-resolution spectroscopy, utilizing the advanced infrared capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope alongside world-class ground observatories. Spectroscopy functions as a powerful chemical fingerprinting tool, allowing scientists to analyze how ambient starlight interacts with the gas, dust, and mineral grains surrounding an object. By examining the specific wavelengths of light absorbed and emitted by 3I, Atlas's expanding coma, astronomers identified rich spectral signatures of frozen carbon dioxide, structural water ice, complex silicates, and dense concentrations of reddish organic molecules known as tholins. Tholins are complex macromolecules formed when simple carbon compounds endure millions of years of intense ultraviolet irradiation and cosmic ray bombardment in deep space, mirroring organic signatures found on primitive Kuiper belt objects and outer system icy moons. The presence and specific isotopic ratios of these compounds provide vital clues about the chemical environment of the distant star system where 3I, ATLAS originally coalesced. The data strongly suggests that the object likely formed in the icy outer reaches of a cool, low-mass dwarf star before being violently ejected into interstellar space by a close gravitational interaction with a migrating gas giant. Analyzing these ancient chemical building blocks offers humanity a direct physical glimpse into the raw ingredients that form planetary systems across the Milky Way, proving that prebiotic chemistry is widely distributed throughout our galaxy. As 3I, ATLAS continues its relentless journey along its hyperbolic trajectory, executing its close approach near Mars before gradually fading back into the sunless depths beyond the Kuiper belt, its legacy as a milestone astronomical discovery is firmly secured. This historic pass serves as a powerful reminder that our solar system does not exist in total isolation, but is continuously linked to the broader galactic ecosystem through a constant exchange of interstellar dust, icy planetesimals, and primordial debris. Every measurement collected, from its extreme hyperbolic speed and volatile outgassing dynamics to its unique spectrographic composition, will provide planetary scientists with valuable data to refine future orbital tracking algorithms and enhance our understanding of interstellar transport mechanisms for decades to come. Furthermore, the global coordination between ground-based arrays, space-based observatories, and international research institutions has demonstrated humanity's growing capacity to detect, track, and analyze small, fast-moving cosmic travelers on short notice. Whether 3I, ATLAS ultimately reveals subtle new details about comet thermodynamics or simply reinforces current models of planetary formation, its brief visit across our night sky highlights the boundless wonders waiting in deep space. As technology advances and next-generation observatories come online, astronomers stand ready to welcome the next interstellar wanderer that drifts through our cosmic neighborhood, eager to unlock the ancient secrets carried within the quiet darkness of space.